Almost done. You're such a good boy, you know. Proud of you. I cut your nails, now I'm buffing them. You're so calm. You're getting tired? Almost done. It's the last one. You're a good boy, you know. Oh, I gotta take care of you, okay? So you gotta be nice and calm so get this done. Thank you so much for being patient. See, when you talk to them, it calms them down a little bit. Let me see. Hey. Real quick. It's almost done. It's almost done. Relax. Good when you talk to them in a nice tone, too. Don't yell at them, get too nervous. Good job, Papa. You're such a good boy. Thank you. That's it. You're all done. You're such a good boy, you know. Thank you. You were so great. Thanks. It was awesome. Good boy. That was a good job. Now it's all done. Okay? You happy? You so happy, huh? Good boy.